Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on Monday, July 14th. And let's look at SalesForce. This is a stock that, gosh, I believe it was here on the breakout day. I'd like to say I was early, but I really wasn't. On Tuesday the 17th, I was on Fast Money halftime back in New York. And I talked about Deckers and Cabela's, but also said, I really liked SalesForce on this breakout. And I pretty much described this scenario that's actually unfolding. And what that was and is that you got this stock that had been consolidating. When it gets to a breakout, a lot of times, and this is a typical phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 volatility squeeze formula that I use to trade to trade squeezes, or I should say pops or expansions from squeezes. But, this kind of phase 1 is the initial breakout. Well, you don't just want to chase these breakouts. I know a lot of traders love to do it, and I used to love to do it too, except I lost money. It was fun until I lost money. It's kind of like a dog, running after a garbage truck. Garbage truck stops at the next driveway, and all of a sudden, every dog looks like a bulldog. So same thing here. I'd noted, you want to look at this. It's a good stock that's just great. Symmetrical triangle, breakout, buy the pullback. Once this stock breaks out, this prior resistance here, which is right here, is going to typically be current support. Well, let me get rid of these messy lines. But where are we now? Well, looks to me like we're at current support right here. So you go ahead and buy the stock, but you keep a stop just a little bit below this level. And I think this is going to work just fine for you. So anyway, that's what I would do with SalesForce. I like it. I think generally speaking, the stock's in a nice uptrend. I think you've got kind of a rare opportunity to buy the stock. Now, when the company announces earnings in early August, all bets are off, but there's a lot of time between now and then, so you can only hold me responsible for the end of July. Okay, members, over to the strategy session. A lot of stocks to cover. A lot of them are actually in pretty good buy points, some of them in great holding points.